What's up, everyone? This is Alan Levin from Smarty Pants Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to properly amplify your organic social media content, specifically on Facebook. We all know that there's an algorithm in place that limits your organic reach. So if you post something on your business page, and let's say you have 100 followers, there's a good chance that probably about 10 or less people are actually seeing any given post. And that's because Facebook and these platforms have really become a pay-to-play platform. They want you to spend money with their advertising. But the problem is most business owners don't know how to really advertise on Facebook or don't know the right campaigns to use. A lot of people do a boosted post, and I'm going to show you what I mean really quick if you're not familiar. I'm going to share my screen right now. So what I'm talking about is this. So when you're on your Facebook business page and you see a post, right? You're very enticed to click this boost post because Facebook will tell you you're going to reach X amount of more people if you boost your post for just $5. Well, the problem with a boosted post, it doesn't give you the full range of capabilities that Facebook advertising offers. So if you want to really amplify your organic content and get out in front of more people, specifically your target audience, you're going to want to actually do this in Facebook's ad manager. So go here to your ads manager. If you don't have one set up, you will need to set it up, put your credit card in and all that. And now watch. Instead of clicking that boost button directly from your Facebook page, click here. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a campaign. You're going to choose engagement. Okay. You can name your campaign whatever you want here. You're going to click continue. All right. From here, let's go next. You'll choose obviously all of your targeting. Now, if you were to click a boosted post, it will let you click, interests, choose certain interests and things like this. But when you actually do it from Facebook's backend ads manager, you're going to get a lot more choices to actually manipulate your ad campaign. You're going to be able to layer in all the interests, behaviors, ages. You can choose where the ad gets placed, and as far as you want on Instagram and the audience network. You can choose the type of cost control, the type of how you want to budget your Facebook ad. You're going to be able to see the reach and all that stuff. And then what you do is once you choose your targeting, you're going to go to right here and you'll select post. And as you'll see, like right here, you see my most recent post is this one right here with the picture of the football player. Look at that, it's right there. So instead of clicking boost post directly from the page, you can amplify it or do an engagement ad. You click that, you'll click continue. And now you have a lot more robust of an ad, and you have a lot more control of it when you do it from the back end of Ads Manager. So that's going to be a really important strategy to use instead of just boosting posts, because with a boosted post, you're not going to get much results. But if you're looking to reach more people, you're looking to get your message and your content out there, I would definitely go and do this type of engagement ad. And make sure you're choosing content to amplify that's already getting a little bit of engagement. Maybe you did get a couple shares, a couple of likes, a couple of comments. Because when you're amplifying or boosting or utilizing ads with content that already has a little bit of social proof, it's going to be a lot more effective in reaching more people and getting more engagement when it already has some of that organically. So be careful with which ones you choose, and don't just click boosted post from the page. Definitely do an engagement ad from Facebook's ads manager. And then once all of that engagement is accumulated, then you could start utilizing retargeting campaigns and targeting people that have engaged with your content in the past. And you really don't need to spend a lot of money to get some results here. So stop boosting posts, do engagement ads with Ads Manager. All right, thank you.